Afternoon, record setters. Doug Mcmanaman, Cumberland County, Nova Scotia. This afternoon I'm going to try a new world record. I have a bottle of Coke laying on this bench here, and I have it supported between 4 nails, and I also have it taped at the back end to the bench so it can't move. And it is full, and on the front end here I have a can opener, or a bottle opener rather, on here, and I have a little piece of tape holding it on to the cap. Now what I'm going to try to do is go back there at 50 yards and shoot at this bottle opener and try to hit it here. See if that will take the cap off this bottle of Coke. And down here I have an empty glass, and I'd like to pour myself a drink from back there at 50 yards by shooting the top off of this bottle. Now, I might do it, I might not, but we're going to give it a try. And I'm going to line up this glass with the bottom here, and hopefully if I can hit the handle of this bottle opener, it will take the top off, and it might even pour some in my glass down here. So let's go back and give this a try. The record will be the greatest distance to take the top off a bottle of Coke and pour yourself a drink with a .22 rifle. Let's go back and try this. And we're going to be at 50 yards. And this will be done with a .22 rifle. I will keep shooting until I hit the bottle opener. Okay, I'm going to line up on it. Where are you? Down here. There's the bottle of pop, Coke. And we'll set the camera right about there. I think you can see if that gets hit, that can open or bottle opener should fly off of there. Let's try it. Very small target. Try another shot. Never touched it. There. I can see pop running out the end of it. So, it was hit. Let's go down and take a look. And we're shooting from 50 yards. Actually, I can see pop in my glass, so I guess it worked. But we'll go down and make sure. Yes, sir. Okay, let's have a look and see what happened here. Okay, here's our bottle of Coke, and as you can see, it is empty and the bottle opener is gone, and down here on the bottom, on the ground, is my glass. Where are you? And there it is with Coke in it. So it actually worked to perfection. There's my glass. I didn't get it all the Coke, but it did work. There's the Coke bottle. And the actual bottle opener is nowhere to be seen. But I guarantee you I will find it. So, there it is, record setters. And I'm going to call this record the longest distance, the greatest distance at which to shoot the top off a bottle of Coke and pour yourself a drink. And I shall drink that right now. Thank you.